Good morning. Welcome to Living Simple with them. I moved in from the outside porch to the lake room. Sitting here early, about 6 o'clock in the morning, getting ready to go to a meeting. And this is my view this morning, sitting in the lake room. Doesn't matter where you sit in this room. There's 6 windows framing 6 different pictures of the lake. Hey guys, that's why I live on a homestead. Can you hear the rain hitting the top of the roof? It was designed that way. Morning coffee, sitting inside the lake room. Living simple with them. Living simple, guys.